Good morning, everybody, and good afternoon. Also, this is David Trucking. We have the new load from New Hampshire, Massachusetts, and Vermont, headed to Colorado and San Francisco. I'm gonna show you my truck and trailer and cars. This is my truck, 19 Cascadia and 19 Cottrell stack trailer. It's ready to load it. And this is the cars. We have Mazda 3, Honda Civic, Honda Accord, Toyota RAV4, Nissan Rogue, Honda Civic, and Nissan Altima. And the last one I'm gonna bring it today with my pickup truck. So all cars I bring with my pickup truck. These people lives very terrible places, neighborhood. Some of them 50 miles, some of them 100 miles. So I have the pickup truck, which is really helped me. So anybody interested in this job, you guys have to have the one car carrier trailer. Makes you easily, and you're not gonna put so much mileage in a truck, and plus no headache. Okay, so this is 2022 Ram GT package, Ram 1500, and 2022 one car carrier trailer, which is very helped me. So I'm gonna starting to load it, and you guys can see it. this is David again. I'm continuing my video. I told you guys I need one more car, and I'm in a customer right now. I'm loaded my race trailer. I'm gonna show you this car, 850 horsepower BMW M4. There is. This is my pickup, and I'm in a building which is you cannot get any trucker trailer in here. And this is M4 with carbon hood and carbon bottom, and it has very wider tires. And customer keep it in behind the windy stuff in the back, in the trunk or inside. This is race trailer. It goes 190 miles per hour and has 8-speed manual transmission. I can show you inside, guys. You can see it as everything's racing. Okay. It goes Colorado, no, California actually, which is San Jose. And he's gonna meet me in the auction, which is I'm not gonna be delivered in the house. So talk to you guys. I'm gonna show you how I loaded my last vehicle in my 8-unit trailer. See you. Hello again. So I came in New Hampshire, and I'm gonna load it in my trailer. So I'm gonna show you how the rubbers I'm using to unloading this sport BMW M4. It's very low clearance, and I'm using these rubbers because this trailer is still low clearance, but needs to be very low clearance one. Okay, so gonna show you the guys inside how they looks like. This race car and has helmet and everything's built it in a race. It goes about 190 to 200 miles per hour. And guy just took out the top one because he was scared not losing. So I'm gonna put it in the very bottom shortly, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna load in this car.
I'm coming down. Nito Gaitzi.
Okay guys, so everything's loaded, everything's strapped up, and everything's down. So I'm gonna show you how they looks like. Now it's pretty easy load. So this race trailer goes Oakland, California, and this top two goes also San Francisco area, which is Hayward, and the rest of us I gotta drop to Denver, Colorado in the auction. So they gotta meet me there, and everybody's gonna take it own car. Any questions, give me a call, 802-779-2446. David Trucking. Have a wonderful evening. Bye bye.